What's good, Stormjay Nation?
I'm Stevonee.
I'm Tre'von, and it's Stormjay. Back with another reaction video. And today we are reacting to
Taping a Firework to His Hand Explosion with DavidDobrik.
And shout out to D&Dub. D&Dub. D&Dub Majesty. He actually he told us that the right pronunciation is Dobrik.
Not Dobrik. Tomato.
Honestly, what he said. But yeah, we doing this reaction to this video. But if you are new or returning to our channel, welcome to Stormjay Entertainment. Make sure y'all go ahead and subscribe to our channel if you haven't already, and also turn on post notifications to be notified every time we drop a new video. So make sure you go to do the two things. And also, I did a prank with Stevonee. It's a cheating prank too, so make sure you go cheat that out. Make sure you go check that out. And also,
yeah. I'm coming back, y'all.
You know,
you're all coming back.
You know, Team Tre up in here, Team Tre. But yeah, check that out and check out our latest vlog. And let's get into the video, you guys.
That's a sick hat. I love haters.
Yeah, you're a fucking pussy, bro.
Bro, I love you, bro. What's up, Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to me trying to kill my friend. Today I made this fake firework that doesn't blow up, but it just looks like it's about to blow up. I'm gonna tape it to my friend's hands, and I'm gonna see how many of them actually think I would blow up their hands. Jonah! What's up, bro? We have a special treat for you today. Where's your shirt?
No shirt today.
No shirt. A lot of people liked you in my last video. We thought we'd bring you back, and this time we'd try a little joke on you that we've been too scared to try on anybody else.
Are you guys gonna light my hair off? What the fuck is what's gonna happen, bro? Yeah, tape, bro. He's chilling with dust.
He just knows
I'm making out with these, bro.
We're gonna tape the stick to your hand, okay?
Stuttering, bro.
Are you scared? Alright, here we go. Go. Oh my god, dude, it wasn't real.
He was trying to get him out of there. They got him
Bro, what do you mean it was going? I thought there's a dynamite attached to me.
Why were you about to jump off the balcony?
I'm like, I'm either jumping or it's gonna explode. I'm like,
you have PTSD now. Welcome to the vlog.
He goes to the kitchen, he cuts his hands off. What was going through your mind?
these guys are trying to fucking kill me.
Before you got here, Josh was like, I haven't been watching a lot of vlogs recently. And I'm like, dude, then you're gonna be so surprised when you see Jason with 2 missing front teeth. And he goes, are you serious? Like, as if it's like a believable thing. Josh didn't even freak out. He was just like, oh, no way, that's cool.
Dude, both teeth. Well, you're gonna help me get it off?
Yeah, I'll help you. Oh, yeah.
Because once I do that, I can't fucking get out.
Okay.
When you fucking vacuum tape someone's together. Dom, this is so fucked up. Oh, Dom, come on. Dom, that's good.
I'll pull it off.
you got the thing on fast.
Get the fuck out of here.
Oh my god.
Fuse.
I'm not even bad.
No.
Is this what heart attack looks like? That's good. How did you rip it off?
I got a fucking lip, man. And I just went, ah!
Jason and I just got out of a place. It's like a really, really healthy vegan place. And the setup for it looks exactly like Chipotle, but it's not because it's all vegetables. And I go up to Jason and I go, hey, this place looks a lot like Chipotle, except for idiots. And then one of the employees comes over and Jason goes, hey, my buddy over here thinks you guys are idiots. I'm like, what are you doing? Why would you say that?
It's no different than when you told that waitress that I went to buy cocaine.
Because you actually went to go buy cocaine.
And you called these guys idiots.
Okay, fair enough. I'm gonna blindfold you.
You're not. I don't want to do this.
Anyway.
Why don't you have Jason do it?
Because Jason has kids.
I have kids somewhere too.
Yeah, I know.
Why don't you just make it on the Brandon or something?
I know you want to do that. You can do it after, I promise.
Todd, we all want to end our workday and go home.
What is this?
God, it's okay.
What is this trash?
God, it's okay. Now, Jason.
Oh, motherfucker!
David just told us it wasn't a real firework, but it was a real firework. Todd dies, and we're all just like, oh, fuck.
I would never put you guys in danger. Safety is my #1 priority.
Okay.
That last part of that was scripted, and we didn't know that the firework was going to be so big.
Scott went down and see you get down and get back up, and it's like, what the fuck? That's when I knew it was fucking messed up.
That's Terry's vlog. Thanks for watching, Ruth. Make sure you like and subscribe. Tweet me at DavidDobrik. Guys, I got new merch.
What is it?
I'm wearing it.
Is your goddamn black hat?
It's my black hat.
Basic black hat.
It's going to be linked in the description.
Before
you
my
get my black hat. Yeah,
you
before
piece
you.
of son of a bitch. God damn it.
When you hold me, when you touch me, it's so powerful.
Alex, heads up! You had to! Alex! Damn it, you missed our chance. What's he getting? Alex, come on! It was a prank.
He let him out.
It was a joke. Are you seriously packing your bags?
David.
Stay.
I have a flight though, I have to go.
Oh, you do?
Yeah.
I'll see you later.
Oh, he said I got a flight, I gotta go. So that was us reacting to taping a firework to his hand with DavidDobrik. Oh, he just always doing some crazy stuff. That's funny. His friends reacted. No, that first guy, nobody reacted better than that first guy.
Oh no,
He was about to go. He said, no, I'm about to blow up or I'm about to jump over his balcony. He could not. He started sweating everything. But the original link for this video will be down below in the description box if you want to check it out. As well as if you like the video and you love us, go ahead and give us a thumbs up.
And also, if you haven't already, subscribe to our channel and also turn on post notifications to be notified every time we drop a new video. You feel me? And also, I did a prank on Stevonee. It was a cheating prank, like I said earlier. So make sure you go check out her reaction. I think I got her dead. I believe I got her dead. So make sure y'all check that out and also check out our latest vlogs. And don't forget to follow our social media accounts right here and tweet us or Instagram or post up hashtag.
Road to 1K first time.
And off that note, we enjoy watching the video with you guys, and we hope y'all enjoy watching the video with us. But until next time, you have been tuned in with StormJay&Tre. Until next time, we are out.
I buy a new car for the bitch, for real. I tear down the mall with the bitch, for real. You can't even talk to the bitch, nah. She fucking with bosses and shit, oh god. I pull up in Rarers and shit, with choppers and Harleys and shit, for real. I be Gucci down, Gucci. You wearing Lacoste and shit, bitch, yeah.